The Nespresso Lattissima Touch Espresso Machine is a one-touch system that promises to satisfy the cravings of latte lovers by delivering creamy, barista-style coffee creations right at home. With a range of convenient features, including 6 one-touch recipes, customizable milk froth settings, and a sleek design, this machine aims to elevate your coffee experience. In this review, we'll delve into the various aspects of this espresso machine, from its performance and convenience to its design and maintenance. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Performance. One of the standout features of this espresso machine is its impressive performance. Equipped with a 19-bar high-performance pump, this machine excels at extracting the nuanced flavors and aromatic notes from Nespresso coffee capsules, resulting in a rich and dense crema that rivals the quality of a professional barista. The fast heat-up system ensures that you won't be waiting long for your coffee fix, reaching the ideal temperature in just 40 seconds. This means you can enjoy your favorite coffee beverages quickly and without delay. Number 2. Convenience. The convenience factor of this espresso machine cannot be overstated. With 6 one-touch buttons, you can effortlessly prepare a variety of coffee beverages, including creamy lattes, latte macchiatos, cappuccinos, espressos, lungos, and warm milk froth for other coffee and milk-based recipes. The milk froth texture regulator knob allows you to customize the froth to your liking, catering to a range of taste preferences. The sliding drip tray accommodates different cup and glass sizes, ensuring versatility in your drink choices. Additionally, the intuitive descaling function provides alerts based on programmed water hardness settings, making maintenance a breeze. The pluggable descaling pipe further simplifies the descaling process, ensuring the longevity of your machine. Moreover, the energy-saving function automatically switches off the machine after 9 minutes of inactivity, a feature that helps conserve energy and promote sustainability. Number 3. Design. This espresso machine boasts a sleek and modern design that adds a touch of elegance to any kitchen or coffee station. Available in 3 glamorous colors, it not only performs well, but also complements your home's aesthetics. The machine's compact dimensions make it suitable for smaller spaces, while still offering a substantial water tank capacity. Number 4. Included components and accessories. Each espresso machine comes with a milk frother and a complimentary welcome set of Nespresso capsules. These capsules offer unique aromatic profiles and allow you to explore a range of coffee flavors right from the start. This thoughtful inclusion ensures that you can immediately enjoy your coffee experience without the need for additional purchases. Dimensions. Product dimensions are 6.81 inches, depth by 12.59 inches, width by 10.15 inches height. Specifications. Take a moment to look at the specifications. Pause if you'd like to read them thoroughly. Pros and cons. 4 reasons to buy. One-touch operation for easy coffee preparation. Customizable milk froth texture for tailored beverages. 19-bar high-performance pump for excellent coffee extraction. Fast heat-up system for quick brewing. 1 reason not to buy. Higher price point compared to some other espresso machines. Conclusion. The Nespresso Lattissima Touch Espresso Machine is a top-tier choice for coffee enthusiasts who crave the convenience of barista-quality coffee in the comfort of their own homes. Its performance, convenience, and stylish design make it a standout product in the world of espresso machines. Whether you prefer lattes, cappuccinos, or espressos, this machine's versatility and customization options ensure that you can enjoy your favorite coffee beverages exactly the way you like them. With the added benefit of energy-saving features and easy maintenance, this espresso machine is a compelling option for those seeking a premium coffee experience at home. Crafted in Italy, it combines quality craftsmanship with modern technology, delivering a coffee machine that satisfies both taste and aesthetics. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.